Birds evolved from a small group of meat-eating dinosaurs known as theropods, which included the famous Velociraptor. Feathers first appeared in dinosaurs for insulation, and later adapted for flight. Archaeopteryx lived about 150 million years ago and had both dinosaur and bird-like features. For example, ravens can use tools and solve complex problems, suggesting their dinosaur ancestors were also smart. While other dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, some theropods survived and evolved into today's birds. Enjoyed these facts? Like and subscribe.